So today we have a very special treat. I have something in this box, which you can probably tell from the title of this video. And the reason I'm waving this oversized knife is because I'm about to open this bad boy. And this has been sitting here for 3.5 months whilst I haven't been in the country. I almost got it shipped to Spain because I wanted it. And this is something I've wanted for a very long period of time. So we'll see if we can actually open this up. So this is going to go in addition to the other 2 Common Club awards I have. This is going to go create a rightness. That's way bigger. That's fucking dope. So that's a 2 Common Club X award. We have now got styrofoam everywhere. So whilst I open this, I'll show you what it looks like. This is an award you get for hitting a revenue target with ClickFunnels. And an interesting stat, 0.5% of businesses worldwide make over $10 million, which is what you get for this. This has been long overdue. Let's try not to break it. That's fucking baller. So that is massive. So there you go. That's 2 Common Club X award for doing 10 million. So you get the $1 million ones, which I've got 2 on the wall there for 2 different businesses. This is the $10 million one. The next one up from this, which might take a while, but the goal to get to some point is the $100 million award. Now, there are very, very, very few people who have one of these. Very, very few. And if you look in the reality of the fitness space, it's like negligible, in particular from the UK. And I'd say the big things that I'm really grateful to be able to have this for is, and it's actually allowed me to do this, is constantly investing in myself to try and get to the next level, and also taking the right information from all over the world from the best people to then level up my own mindset, my own skill set, which then helps my business accelerate. And whether that's investing into myself or to my team, those are things that have really allowed me to get the growth I've had. The big thing with that that's really made the difference is doing that consistently over a period of time. Now, one of the reasons why I now have one of these after quitting my full-time job as an estate agent 5 years ago is because I implement things very, very quickly. So one of the things you want to think about is that money loves speed and wealth loves time. So if you're really, really quick to implement things, if you take the right advice from the right people, you can grow your business really, really quickly, and then you can achieve one, get one of these. So I remember always wanting one of these, and I think the first person I saw who had one was Tanner Chichester, who's a bit of a goat in the industry. So now to have my own one is pretty sick. So a boy from a little village in Surrey in the UK who wasn't amounting to anything now has a $10 million one, a couple of the $1 million ones, lives in Dubai, also has the dream car he's wanted, and just shows what can be done. So the proof is in the pudding with that, and that's one thing I'd say is that with all the content we're creating for YouTube is to specifically show the truth and speak the facts. So documenting everything we're doing, how I've done it, and give you guys as much information as possible, because if I've done it, then so can you. But the way you collapse time to be able to achieve these type of things is by getting the right advice and just implementing it. If I could go back, the one thing I would change is to actually do things faster. And I did things very quickly, but those small bits of hesitation slowed me down. I could have probably got one of these much sooner than I did. So that's pretty sick. You're gonna have to discover where to put that. Also shows that maybe I do know what I'm doing when it comes to scaling a business, in particular in the fitness industry. So if you want help in terms of growing a fitness business, hit the link below this video. You can book in a free call with us, find out exactly how I can help you to achieve similar success, because on the other side of opportunities and you actually taking action with things, you can achieve the life you've always wanted. So really, really grateful for this. Super, super happy. Any questions on that, comment below. But see how long it takes me to get the $100 million one. People can comment below and have a guess how long it will take. And whoever wins, I'll give you $10,000 when I've done $100 million. So comment below, whoever gets the date right or the years right and how long it takes to get the $100 million one, I'll give you $10,000 for that. At that point, I'm sure I won't give a shit about $10,000. So big thank you to this. Make sure you like the video, take some inspiration. And the next video I have coming up about this will be about exactly the 3 things that help me scale my business the fastest, and the 3 things that I needed to avoid, which were big mistakes that happened. So make sure you check out the video after this and subscribe to the channel.